Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, and today we're going to be unboxing the Sunnydaze 48-inch rectangular raised flower bed. So what I have here is the Sunnydaze rectangular raised flower bed. It's galvanized steel, so let's unbox it and see how it comes boxed. Alright, let's open her up and see what's inside. There she is. So, got your 4 panels. Nice and wrapped up here, so we'll put those aside. Right by my sleepy gnome. Hey, don't sleep on the job. Oh, sorry, sir. Okay, well, I know you're entitled to a break. So over here we have our corner supports as well as our brackets to help support it. We have all of our hardware in here. As you can see, we'll pull these out. Packaged really nice and well. Looks like some screws and nuts were able to escape, but that's okay. They're all here. So it looks like it even came with its own Allen wrench, which that is pretty cool. And then you have your instructions in here. Instructions. Very simple to follow. Picture instructions. Gives you the quantity of everything you should have inside. Looks like it's going to be a pretty simple process. And I am going to put this together. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.